Hello, here we are with the presentation of the session dealing with the creation of badges for the Moodle course we have been doing since May. I have checked online and I have found that there are a lot of interesting resources. Online Badge Maker, Make Badges, Criggly, Mozilla. It's important that everybody should be aware of the many possibilities. I check Make Badges, which is a free service online which doesn't require any account, while Online Badge Maker does require this. This is a very fast and reliable tool online that enables you to create badges simply by choosing the shape, the icon, the border, the color. And once the badge has been created and you can choose anything from the background, the icon, the color, you can also upload the images you want to. You can simply click on the badge, and if you click on download, it will be available on your computer ready to be uploaded on the platform. My course on the Moodle MOOC is a course about literature, so I decided to create this badge, the short story, which is one dealing with the badge for the 5th module. Reading a short story and checking the short story and writing Evelyn were the main activities we had to do in order to be given the badge. Now let's go to, we are on moodle4teaching.org and this is my course. The course is divided into many sections: introduction, studying the novel, female writers, Dickens and the Victorian Age, a short story, the syllabus. I will add something more. This is the module on which I have created the badge. As you can see, I have created the module by providing information about the short story, and then the final task would be reading Evelyn by Joyce, checking the short story with the quiz, and rewriting Evelyn, because I feel this is an activity that could be useful for our student. Here is the main module, and here we have the badges. You see, I have already uploaded it, and here you see the first badge which I have done. So I would like you to see how I can create a badge. Let's go to the section badges and add a new badge. I can write the name of the badge. In my case, for example, I could choose the one about Dickens and the Victorian novel. I have to describe it. I have to choose the file. I have to issue the name, the contact, and I have to fill in with the data about the expiry date. Once I have created the badge, I will have to fill in with the more details. Say I want to do something about Dickens and Cooktown. I choose a file. The file will be from my folder. Here's the short story. Here, for example, is the Victorian novel, just to say how I can add it. upload the file. Your name. Create the badge. And here I have, for example, to add the criteria. So it is activity completion. So if it is activity completion, I will choose what I want to have in order to get the student be awarded the task. So it will be Dickens and the quiz. We'll write enable. I will choose the time. It could be 20th of June. Here the assignment which had been provided for the other module. I will write the criteria is complete when all the selected activities have been completed. Save. And here it is. We have all the activities are completed. I will have to enable the access. I confirm that it is available. Continue. And here it is. The badge is available for the users. So this is more or less how it works. It took me some time to get used to the layout of creating a task, but it is very easy. Here is the message which can be provided once the student have finished the course. And you can send him or her a message by saying congratulations just on a badge, and then you provide the information with the body for the message. It can also be notify badge creator, yes or no, and this is more or less what you can do to create a badge. Now let's go back to the badges in the course and see what we have. We've got the short story, introduction, and Dickens and the Victorian novels. So you see that I have decided about 3 pages, and this is the exercise which I have done so far in order to learn how to use it. So that's all for now. Looking forward to seeing the end of my course. Thank